Okay, so yeah, I got this morning, I got the four stocks pulled up, and the robot is ready to go. Meta's throwing quite an excessive amount of volume, and AMD looks like it had a little bit of volume this morning, just the least above the standard, and we got quite a bit on Neo as well. And even Amazon is trying to make a push already this morning. It might be a good trade right there at the open there. Which, I don't take the first 1 minute candle, but it could be good on the second one if we can get it to hold above that stop loss right there at what is that, 133.06. Cut the music here. Okay, so Neo looked like it wanted to throw something. Made a big jump right there. Neo hasn't been my friend lately. I've seriously been considering. Yesterday, it did a good one right at the open, and then it threw three bad ones right after that. So it was like it gave me profit to lose on the next three trades. That's what it did. So I was very pleased with that. Trading can be very frustrating. We are now 2 minutes to the open. Looks like almost had a down arrow on Neo. I think right now Amazon is gonna be the secret right here. It's still holding above this. Got 2 minutes left, or a minute and a half. Yeah, my goal is to watch this, this Amazon right here. This is what I'm going to watch this morning going in. Now, of course, Neo keeps threatening to do something. You can kind of see this pressure forming to go up or down. Not really sure what it's going to do, but look at this huge down, huge up. There's a lot of buyers and sellers going on Neo this morning. So we're going to see what it can actually do. Yeah, and still, like I said, after this first candle, we'll be watching for this thing to hold above this line so that we could take this particular trade going up. I'd like to see it hold pretty solid. That was a long entry for Amazon. Oh man, look at that right there at the open too. That's good. Okay, so Amazon's gonna be the ticket here. We're just gonna wait a second. Usually get a little bit of pullback here. Still looking really good. 37 seconds. Oh man. It's so depressing. 27 seconds. 25. 24. Come on now. So we're watching right up here right now. Waiting, hoping this thing won't just shoot off like a rocket. I'm gonna get ready. 7, 6. We'd really like I guess, opening range breakout on this one. Didn't do it, but we're taking it anyway. Gonna bounce back. And we're gonna go ahead and move the take profit line up here. Not much of a payout on this one. Now, thankfully, it's already hit that line. So, in reality, I can move it up to here. It's a little bit high, though. I should be able to move it all the way up to this stop loss point right here. The break-even one instead, because it's already hit that high line. But, I mean, I expected it to do more right off the bat there. It didn't. So look at that. It's giving me a little bit of an issue. I am going to modify this for the higher line, or between that one. So I got two entries here saying this is going to go up, which you never know. But what I actually did, there's two profit points that it threw. So I took the middle ground in between them. Since I had to wait out that first candle, I kind of took the middle ground there. A lot of push here. Looks like the SPY has a nice push this morning. Come on now. Got a nice push up so far. I'm actually going to pull my stop loss up here. Not really crazy about losing more on that one, but I'm thinking the VWAP will protect me on that one. When you're trading in the morning, things have what I would call more slack in the line than normal. So things move a little bit more aggressively in each direction. Very frustrating right now looking at this. I'm actually gonna give a little more leeway here. Yeah, I mean, I just gotta wait and see. It's trying to hold the VWAP is what it's trying to do. I gotta just wait and see what happens. Another hit, a long entry for Meta. Looks like it didn't hold. Man, Amazon's a little frustrating, ain't it? Go again, 10 seconds. 7, 6. Amazon's gonna tank it, ain't it? So annoying. Okay, and we're in on Meta too. Nice clean entry. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit here. Try to set my stop loss without kicking us out. Move this one up to there. And move the stop loss up to there, which we've already gotten a move to break even. That's good. That's going to be a nice run up. That's 185. That makes that. It's like Amazon finally trying again, I guess. It's good. Meta might get some more pullback. I mean, there's obviously some kind of line here that it's the 134 half dollar whatever is giving it some issue. But, you know, it's blown through the white line. So, we just gotta wait and see. Tracking two of them right now. There we go, a little bit better on the push there. Yeah, it never gets any easier. Watching, doesn't matter how solid you think your strategy is or whatever. I mean, I don't know that it ever gets easier to wait for something to hit your profit line, or I don't think it ever gets easier. It's a little frustrating. It was tough here because, you know, that one threw that right off the bat, and it's possible. I mean, I could have jumped right in right here and made, you know, the full $200 that these trades are supposed to make. I mean, obviously, but you know, if you guys were with me a couple of days ago, buying in on the first candle is dangerous. See, we just got a step in volume right here, so now we're going to be pulling back quite a bit before we get to here. Step in volume is an exhaustion of the push. So you can see this was holding pretty good, and then we had this push up, and then this was an exhaustion of that volume. Now a bunch of people selling off, going down. It doesn't mean that the trend is over. Over here you kind of see the same thing. On Meta, the step in volume pushes up, and now you got this huge pullback right here. A little frustrating, obviously. It's like AMD's about to try to give us a trade. 6 seconds. Oh, come on now. That wasn't very nice. Probably for the best. No. That's not a good sign. I mean, scary for sure. Both of these trades, you know, you can tell they were way in the money, making good money, and now it looks like I may end up having to take a loss on one of those or both of them. This one looks like it's going to try to go down, you know. Yeah, it's about to kick me out. Oh man, that was so close. Don't do it. No, go the other way. Ah, kick me out. Ah, so frustrating. Yeah. Now with this one, this is almost a trade reversal. You know, I almost could have just reversed, but not always that cool to have a reversal, because you have to go through a major loss to get a reversal. But here we are again. Let's see what this one's gonna do. Yeah, I know the frustration behind it was that, you know, obviously it went up. This trade was, you could say this trade was good, but you know, the trade's only good if it matures for me. Yeah, I know we just got kicked out on that one too. Short entry for Amazon. Yeah, this is no fun. This, I mean, that was making money, and then we lost. End up down instead of up. That's not, you know. Yeah, I mean, this step in volume, you could say that should have given me indication, but the robot's supposed to call that, not me. So I really haven't had a lot. And yeah, I've toyed with the idea of actually taking some profit on those instead of just letting them hit that break even point, or actually it's a loss point. Instead of doing that, actually taking a little profit once they hit that white line. But I recently rewrote the strategy so that I didn't do that, just because waiting for the full profit line on the percentage point actually did better. But I've been wrong before. See, Neo probably would have given us an entry, except for, it's just the push down was just too great. I just couldn't hold it. And yeah, obviously, Meta's giving me some issue here. It'd be nice to just kick out of this one without, just take some money on it instead. But see, we just took 2 losses. If we take a profit too early on that one, we're going to be not going to have a good weekend if I do that. Let's just say that. Yeah, there's still more days. It's only Tuesday. It's very true. Yeah, I wish it would have held. Look at that. It's bumping, which kind of means that I can move my stop loss up, but yep, there we go. I'll take that. That's nice. And that means I can move my stop loss up a little bit better. And you can see on this trade, most of these are 200. So I'm in better on this trade by $4.32. That's what that shows you there. I'm actually a little bit better off. And you can see normally when I move my break even point, it's about $30. This one's only about 24. I mean, I prefer it when they just go up and make the money and you don't have to do all that waiting. And you can see how close this one actually come to hitting the goal. This is just frustrating right there. So frustrating. And the fact that it's coming down now and didn't allow me to get back in going the other way. I mean, at least this one gave me an entry the other way, a chance to pay for itself, Look at that jump. Oof. Now you can tell you were going to get a jump. Look here, there's a step right in volume right there. It's not as big as the one over here, but if you look close, the step is there. See if we can make that thing do that. Yeah, you can see there's a step in volume. Every time you get that step in volume, you're going to have some pullback. And the question is it going to pull back or is it going to reverse? And the reversals are no good in these particular instances when you're actually wanting it to go down. Now you can see that's the reason it did that. That's the low of this morning. So obviously it's going to bounce off of that and go up. Just, yeah. Well, I take that back. It's not obvious it's going to bounce off of that and go up. Oh, look at Amazon trying to fool me once. Shame on me. Fool me a bunch of times. Look at this. It's rough. This is going to be a frustrating morning. I can feel it. 28 seconds over here. Yeah, I know. It's gone up here and now it's down, and now we're looking at going up again. And this one made money, and now the same little percentage above the white line, same little hold. Very frustrating. Okay, getting ready to buy over here. 2, 1. Buy. And now I'm just going to pull our profit line and pull the stop loss line. Yeah, that one's pretending like it's going to go to the moon. I see that. It's not really nice. I mean, if there was somebody that I could actually complain to about the customer service, I definitely would complain about that, for sure. Now, right now, we went ahead and took this one. And it has potential. Yeah, this one still has potential. I mean, I know we're getting an entry going the opposite direction. And it kicks us out. Oh, kicked us out. Oh my word. That's so frustrating. Yep, I know it. I know. You guys don't have to tell me how frustrating it is. No, I know. I mean, and I just jumped back in, obviously. I did. Well, why wouldn't I? I mean, it's my job to take the trades. Oh, my word. I missed one down here. What the hey? Oh, this one didn't give me an entry. Oh, man. What's going on here? That's frustrating. Yeah. That can be a doozy. And the issue on this one being that now that I'm in late on it, I have to have a bigger stop loss for less money. So I'm going to kind of manage this one a little bit. Probably more than the other one. Or more than the other two. And you remember the break even is only about $30, so that's putting it up here. That's pretty tight. I might back off right below this VWAP line. Let's make it a little bit low. I mean, it is pushing up, but you see, you got a high right there. It's coming close to that high. And as it does, that's where our pullback is going to be. Looks like it's trying to push through it. That's good news. We are going to tighten this one up quite a bit here. Come on, Betsy. Yeah, buddy. Like that. $91. Come on. Would be nice to have a good day, wouldn't it? Hmm. Yeah, I know. You just seen me kick out of that one early. This one right here. Yeah, you know, I mean, it's just like, you just want to make sure. It's a preordained good day. That's what that is. Come on, up there. Make the 134. Yeah. Go. No. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Take that one too. Very nice. Waiting on one more here. Oh, yes. Come on, we need 180 out of that one. Come on, Betsy, push. 22, 21, 20. 49. Boom. Neo's about to make a move. That's nice. Now, this one's a huge pull down right here, so I'm going to monitor this one quite closely. If it goes, obviously. 22 seconds here. Oh, 16. Oh, it's going to pull back. Oh, it's pulling back. A very nice day on these. Very nice day. Good to see this many stocks actually performing. Yeah, I kind of do a screenshot on my trades afterwards, so going ahead and pulling that screenshot real quick. Yeah, Neo's still trying to do it. I mean, I can imagine. I can imagine it at least trying. Yep. Yeah, so it's pretty good day so far. That's just doing a, let's go ahead and pull up go ahead and pull up here. So yes, I'm looking at Amazon first. Amazon had one. Amazon had one can't take, and then it had one break even, and then it had one profitable one. And then Meta had, you gotta track everything and monitor what's going on, and making it easier to do that is always good. So the first one, Meta had on a break even, one break even, and then it had, oh man, I forgot it had two break evens. Crazy thing. Swap that to 2, and then it had 1. Now, if you think about it, this is a good point here, because if you're not managing your losses when those go the wrong way, then you can't make money when they do go the right way. And if you get out too early as they're going the right way, then you also can't compensate yourself properly for the losses. So there's a lot of stuff to think about, I know, but and then AMD threw a good one. Yeah, I wish I could have got a better entry on AMD. It must have thrown right at the last second as far as the entry, and I didn't get an alert for it. I wish I could be watching better. I really count on those alerts too much. I probably should use my eyes instead of the alerts. So the robot says I should have done about 450, which I only did 321.83. So not as bad, but it's pretty good. I'll take it. It is 9 o'clock. I usually, you're right, I usually don't quit till 9:12, or 9:15 rather, but after a morning like that, it's tough not to just be like, hey, I'm out. I'm done. Nice clean movement. I almost didn't take this one down here on AMD. I almost didn't take this one, if you guys remember. It had gone up and then almost already had made a complete move up here to this. I should have easily got this entry here and made this full move. There was nothing wrong with why I couldn't do that. I simply did not see the entry when it happened. That's not ideal. I don't know how to actually make myself more aware of those, but I kind of count on that beep going off, the alarm, to let me know, and it didn't. Anyway, that happens. So I'm kind of just watching Neo here. It's trying to do a pullback, and it's, yeah, there we go. See, it did do this. I like that it didn't go all the way through, and that now it's actually trying to make a breakthrough. Hopefully it won't go too aggressively. You see, the bot actually turns off if the move is too aggressive. It needs it to be reasonable. It's right on the edge of reasonable, ain't it? It did not hold. What you're about to see here is me violating my strategy. That one did not hold. You're going to take this one. I'm going to hold for a $172 payout. And we are going to slide up here for a $50 hold. 50? Yeah, it really needs to be below that, don't it? Ugh, it's $82. I don't want to hold that much. Oh my word. That was a little frustrating. I gotta admit. That was frustrating. Okay. Done for the day at my frustrating point. Y'all have a good day.